Hello everyone. Today I will help you hopefully to narrow the issues with your Android radio and have no sound. Basically I had few comments where people were mentioning about no sound on the radio, and unluckily I got the same issue on one car. So luckily for me I got access to few of those radios, so I can swap bits between, also few radios as a radio units. So I've done some tests. So what I've done, I took out the radio unit and placed this to another car, and it came up that it works fine. So for myself that was easy way to say that this is not issue with Android radio. But I did manage to also swap the radio unit itself, and it came up that after swapping the radio unit the sound is back. So it's not the issue with auxiliary fuses in my case, but actually the radio itself. So I will show you today what I've done as a temporary solution to get back the sound from Android radio. So not all the radios they got the same wiring harness, but my one have, as you can see here, connection which is audio out, and then there is audio in. So by splitting this out, what I've done on audio out, I connected extension cable for headphones, which I directed from the back. I'm not gonna explain how to do that, because if you got already this kind of unit, the radio, then you know how to do those things. So I'm not gonna say how to strip this down. If you want to see it, I got another movies on my channel, so you can have a look. But anyway, what I've done, I connected from here connector which I directed behind the unit. Then I untied. There is a, if you pull this out, you know the sliding thing. When you pull this out, there is a screw. So untie the screw. I put this behind the panel so there will be no wire, anywhere. And then I directed this back to FM transmitter and connected this here. So if your radio have a sound, if there is no issue with the radio and the issue is more like with the car itself or the radio, like this one, original one, then this might be temporary solution for you as well. Now, the FM transmitter which I got is not the best. The strength of the signal is not the strongest one, so I don't recommend to buy this one, because this one is it's not the best. Try to buy something else, but maybe some proper one, because this one is just cheap from eBay. Anyway, I will show you that it does work. So the music which you can hear now, this goes through the transmitter. You see, I can forward, I can change, so you can hear everything. So in order to get it, I had to go to my iDrive, then change the frequency to this whatever frequency you got on the transmitter. So in my case it's 103. So here you can see it is also 103, and then you're going back to your Android radio, and then whatever sound is played you're gonna get on your normal radio. It's not permanent solution. It's more for, hopefully I hope that some people will actually give me some comments what we can try to do, because I believe that there is more people like me, because again I read my comments, so I know what people are saying there. So hopefully someone will put some comment with some good ideas how we can permanently fix the issue. But if your radio have the same harness where you got this audio out, then you can connect extension and connect this to FM transmitter, so at least for now you're gonna get some sound. So like I said, this is not permanent solution, it's gonna be temporary until someone will figure out what is wrong with it. I checked the fuse on this radio, everything is fine, but somehow the auxiliary doesn't go. I checked the connectors, I swapped the harnesses, I've done a lot of things, and this is nothing to do with the harness, it's something to do with the radio itself, because again I swapped the radios as well, and after swapping the radios the sound was back. So this is something to do with the radio unit in my case. With your car might be something different. I know that some people were recommending checking the fuses. I did check them and they are fine. So in my case this is definitely something to do with the radio itself. So I hope this movie will point you to some direction and maybe help you to do some troubleshooting, because like I said, in my case I did manage to establish what is the issue, and also I got sound back as a temporary one. Now I need to buy proper FM transmitter and And well, for some time, until I will figure out what is wrong with this radio unit, I will have a sound. So again, if you got any other comments, like any ideas what can be solution for this problem, then please share with other users, because this might be really helpful. So anyway, I hope that this short movie will point you to some direction and help you to at least get back the sound for now, until the proper solution not gonna be found. So thank you very much for watching. As always, I wish you a good day.